Back to ripping open the alpha pack. Layden told me he was gonna go. Back to back legend.
That guy. On the last round.
Purple. This is foul. Purple. I mean, I tried getting nutted on.
You know what they say, ain't no party like a Diddy party.
I just dumped water down
bullets
my
everywhere.
face, bro. Give me fucking black ice. Why is it giving me legendaries I have already, bro? Give me something different, please. Like, please, bro. Yes! Iceman! Like, what the fuck is that shit, bro?
Iceman.
That's rare? Wait, what are we... Okay. Purple, oh my god, nut my ass. I'm gonna try getting nutted on again. Getting nutted on works, bro. I just got super shorty black ice, bro.
ASL.
Getting nutted on works. I would do anything. I would attend one of Diddy's parties to get an R4C black ice.
Just fucking give it to you.
Like, I'll bend over and take it from Diddy right in the ass.
Alright, bend over.
I'm not gonna do that. Not on stream, bro. I'm not bending over on stream.
I'm waiting until they put some better fuck.
I mean, dude, I just want black ice. That's all I fucking want. I'm just getting green after green after.
Oh, that's right. I didn't get fucking the diamond background.
I'm gonna rail a fucking Alright, I gotta chill. Dude, how do I keep getting greens, bro? I swear. Okay. You fucking kidding me, bro? Finally! Thank the fucking heavens, bro. This better be R4C black ice or I'm gonna be pissed. Bend over for Diddy. Okay. Give it to me. Dude. Other fucking green, bro. Fucking a purple. Alright, here we go.
I don't know who that bitch is.
Purple. Purple.
I just pulled our 4C black ice.
No, you did not, bro. Oh, it's because I'm using my green controller, bro. Wait, let me pull my purple one out. See? Look, there's a green. Alright, where's my purple one go? This is why.
It's the color of my dildo.
This is why. Watch, the purple one's out. And when we open the next pack with this controller. Oh my god. What is that, bro? What the fuck is that? What the hell? See, dude, purple after purple with this controller, bro. I'm telling you, bro. And I just keep getting dog shit after dog shit, bro. It's time to retire the purple controller, bro. I can't, the drag stick's so bad on it, I can't even fucking open an alpha pack. My word. Another purple. 3 purples out of 4 packs since I switched to the purple controller, bro. I'm telling you, bro, that green controller. I already have it. No. No. Come on, bro. I haven't gotten a green with this fucking controller once, and it stays on that path. And there it is. There's the first green. Alright. I gotta get another purple with this one. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. Alright, one better every time. So you're about to get a purple now. Alright, it only took 2 times. Yup. Here we go. Please, bro. Like you're trolling me at this point, bro. You give me an R4C purple fucking camo. I'm getting down on my knees. I'm putting 2 hands on it. And I'm stroking it. Not on my face. Opening it with the green controller. And okay, why? That was just a mistake. Like, what am I doing? I'm wasting alpha packs here. I gotta go back to the purple one. See, it's already a blue. It's already a blue. I haven't seen a legendary in fucking years. Like, literal fucking centuries. Alpha pack number 100, this better be. Motherfucker, man. Oh, look, Iceman fucking returns. It's hinting at something. It's hinting at something. It is fucking hinting at something.
You're not gonna get it.
What is that shit? Holy fuck, that's actually dope as fuck. I'm not even gonna lie. Next.
Hey, Brady.
Huh?
Brady.
What, bro?
You're muted. Brady, I just pulled. I just pulled it.
What did you pull, bro? Please be something I have already. What did you pull, bro? Tell me right now. What did you fucking pull? You did not pull Ash Black Ice, bro. No, you did not.
Yes, I did.
Send me a picture right now.
Alright.
I swear to fuck. I swear to hell. No, you're joking. You bought it, bro.
No, I did not. Why would I want to buy it?
This is bullshit. Next pack. Purple. 3 fucking purples in a row. This better be the fucking one, bro. I swear to God. I've tried everything. I've tried getting nutted on. I tried getting down on my knees with 2 hands on it.
You gotta come grab my shit.
I will. If that's what it takes to get Ash R4C Black Ice, I will, bro.
Ice is so
I have that! Oh, it's like a fucking stormtrooper's weapon, bro. I don't want that shit. Give me the fucking Black Ice. Oh, legendary. Okay. This better be fucking dope. This is the 3rd fucking time! Yeah, dude. At least give me something I don't fucking have. This is absurd. What a terrible alpha pack opening. I've had 1 Black Ice worth my time. I'm nutting. Okay. See? Getting nutted on works, bro. That low key.
No, it does not.
That low key wasn't bad. You know, I'll take that.
You just like nut in the face.
Look at how bad I can't even equip it because the drag stick's so...
Oh,
The third time I've gotten this one. Oh my... Dude, yeah. We're going back to the green controller. Okay, no we're not. This controller's on a heater. Again. Oh, fucking again. With Chiquitilla. What the fucking that, whatever that shit is. I literally just put that thing in my ass for no reason. Like, dude, come on, give me ash black. Oh, another one. It's not going back in my ass. I'm doing nothing this time. I'm just gonna sit here in silence and watch. Yep. Yep. Oh, my controller's off. Wow, this is edging. It's the first pack I opened with this thing. Yeah, dude, it's cooked. Come back to life, purple controller. I can't even open the fucking alpha packs. Like... Now it just doesn't work. And here we go again. I never... Motherfucker. This is the worst drag stick I've ever had. Couldn't even give me a white operator? Like... Are you fucking kidding? The first one again, dude. Yeah, I'm done. I'm fucking done. Who wants Ember Rise, bro? Do you know what season it is? It's not fucking Ember Rise anymore. What even is that? Like, what the fuck is that? From last season, I lied. Okay, I'm not opening controllers or packs with that controller anymore, bro. What? What? That doesn't even make sense. Yeah, we're cold now, bro. I can't even open packs with this controller. My fuck, man. We're cooking. We're cooking.
I knew it.
We're cooking.
If you get R4C black ice, I'll get something in my ass for you.
Say less. Frost is not a Chinese farmer, man. What the fuck is that shit?
She's not the Viet Cong.
3 purples in a row? Another one? Please, for the love of Christ. I will throw my monitor out this window next to me if it is not a black ice.
Alright, throw it out. Big girl.
Damn, she's thick. All right, we're pulling out the infamous Michael Bublé pack. Michael Bublé is gonna get me a black ice. Look who fucking returns. The one and only. Ice! Oh, that's fucking fantastic. Can we change the rarity and throw a black in front of that? That's funny because Rosa... Alright. It's been like 10 packs, bro. I'm kind of getting bored. Like, look, you're giving me purple shit, but you're not giving me purple fucking rare, bro. Oh my god. He got nutted on by a Smurf. I'm the greatest player ever.
You're not gonna get it.
I'm the greatest player of all time. I know it! I'm turning into Wamai for this pack open. Swear to fucking Christ, if I get another one of those fucking things, dude, I swear to God. I swear to fucking God, dude. If I get another one of those purple fucking twin shell fucking headgears or bodies, bro. Like, I swear, bro. All right. So about that. What exactly do we do about this? As you can see right there, I'm about to pulverize the shit out of my webcam. All right, well, shit is fucked. All right, we're just gonna move on from that. Oh, there we go. All right, we're returned. We're returned. Okay, man, that's my cock and balls. All right, let's move on from that. What is this? Oh no, what is this? Oh! 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 You gotta be kidding me, man! Like, no fucking way, dude. That's like the 4th fucking time. Fucking Arctic camo, bro. Nah, dude. Yeah, you're fucking trolling, bro. No, this is not funny anymore, Ubisoft. Yeah, this is not fucking funny, bro. This is literally 3 Arctic camos in 5 packs. Yeah, bro. My fucking chair is all fucked up. I'm fucking pissed. Okay, that's actually kind of dope. I'm not gonna lie. That's going on. Nodded on. What the hell was that? Nodded on. Like, 3 in a row. If I get one more fucking Arctic camo, bro, I don't know what I'm gonna do. At least we're getting different shit now, but they're all green! And ice! There we go. You're trolling me. And another green. He's got his tribal paint on. Let's keep going. Huh. I didn't like Gridlock how she was already, so why are we making a camo named after her? Fucking thank the Lord above. I swear to God if it's Arctic, bro. Garad Skoy? I know Garad Krovi. I don't know Garad Skoy. Vigil's hacking? 3 in a row? Oh my God, I'm getting nutted on? Oh, I have it already. Fucking kill me, dude. Give me something I don't fucking have. I've gotten 1 new black ice in this entire fucking all 200 of these fucking packs, bro. Please! Why is that a fucking epic? Oh, it's like dog shit. What the fuck? Who packs this, right? Like, imagine you pack this headgear and you're just like, yeah, I'm gonna use this. Said no one fucking ever, bro. Yep, that's gonna do it for this one, guys. That was an absolute fucking disaster of an alpha pack opening. Fucking what is that shit, bro? Like, you just gotta be trolling, man. You have to be fucking trolling. You have to be trolling. We'll make fucking ice, bro. What a waste of my life. Time to buy 20 more. Alright, we have 28 more alpha packs. If we do not get a new black ice here, nothing's gonna cover it. Wow, already ripping it off of the fucking trash ass camo. I just never used that thing, to be honest. Please be something cool. I mean, I got black ice for it. Yes! Finally! Holy shit! Finally got fucking something good. Oh my gosh. Fucking finally. Something worth my time. Oh, that is fucking dope, dude. Let's go. Finally, dude. Thank God it was. If it was Arctic again, I might have thrown my PC out my window. Fuck! You're choking! You have to be right on fucking cue. Arctic just spawns out of nowhere. Right on fucking cue. Right on cue, bro.
I'm on the show. Wash.
It wants you to put Arctic on for your fucking Cali sniper.
Shut the fuck up, man. Yeah. Fucking Arctic camo, bro. I thank the heavens above. Fuck me, daughter barrel.
Hey man, you missed it at the bloody party. There was dicks and balls everywhere. There were dick and balls everywhere.
What? Okay. Getting down to the last few here. And I gotta say, this journey has been... how do I put this? Downright fucking horrendous. This is 3 packs left. Alright. Green. Ice. Oh, green. Let me guess. Iceman? Come on. I got 2 new black ices in about 200 and about 10 alpha packs, somewhere in that area. I got 2 new black ices and 6 fucking Arctics, bro. 6 fucking Arctics. I'm about to go equipped it on every gun I have, bro. Apparently it's the best camo in the game. Jimmy on a beat, boy.